This is #1 champion sound. Yeah, Estelle,
I've cried every day.
Who the hottest in the world right now? Just touched down in London town. Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Tell the promoter we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats. No interview with the NME, cause I will only make enemy. No Q&A with the Q today, cause I really don't have good to say. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the low quality voice over. I can't find my microphones, but anyway, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. So today we have a vlog, a few days in my life, and let's start with going out on a date with my baby boy. That's my boyfriend. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe and like the video. So first we went for a movie night or movie date, and then later we went for ice cream and of course a cool jazz out with him. We spent some time there and yeah, it was good, really good. So enjoy the vlog.
With another girl I'm playing with another heart, placing high stakes, making hearts ache. He's loved in 7 languages. Diamond nights and ruby lights, high in the sky. Heaven help him when he falls.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really.
So it is currently midday and I've got over 5 calls from a school, and they're telling me my daughter has refused to concentrate in class because everyone else have got their attires, prom attires, and she has not seen hers. So she called me last week and she was like she needed clothes for leavers, and I was like, I got you, baby girl. I always have their bags. And I delayed today and tomorrow I have to go to school, and she told me she needed a dress, a high-rolled dress, but I tried making it and it wasn't looking really nice. She's beautiful, she has to look good, so I decided to make her a dress in this material and then this color. I had this material ready. I wanted to make my dress, but yeah, she deserves it. So this is how it looks like. And anyway, ladies, I'm still stitching. I'm going to do a hand stitching here, and then I have to overlock everything from inside, and then here I also have to hem it, and then yeah, overlock everything from the side. But tell me, proms, levers, blah blah, they are so expensive. I don't know how we started paying over 200,000 for a primary 7 girl or student to do a party. Guys, the sister girl. But anyway, it looks like this, and I think she'll love it. Actually, she'll love it. Very entertaining, but it's over now. Go ahead and make a bow. Shukran. Success in your exams, mama, and enjoy your party. Mkoledde bbiri ayina bbiri yaŋŋamba engoye z'ebbiri naye olyoke naye yeetaaga vest. Kasimanyi oba wake ayinayo vest yabula kuba kano kakwambaliramu vest. Ayina bbiri kati oliwe naye lw'ojja mutuuka zonna zijja mutuuka, so ze ey'okubiri. I've been sick since yesterday, and my man got me flowers. Yeah, just for me. Thank you, babe. Thank you, mister. Thank you, Jay. I love them. Though I can't smell them because I lost it. I lost that sense, but I love them, darling. Thank you. Thank you, Jay. I really love them. Not kidding. I love them.
That's why in Agamba, Uganda, just about to kubeera because omuntu abeera nga takkiriziganya na mu success y'omwana. She's like, let people be.
So after packing, I went to town to get something to eat for her. I know her preferences. Of course, Matoki is not inclusive. I got her chicken, rice, and fish. She loved them. This is what she wants, and I always want to treat them the way they want, not how I want. Yeah, because life is short and they will never be that young, you know. So I got food and then we proceeded to school.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Yeah. Like I thought to be you and Daddy.
Why?
Why? It's like you two, in every situation, you have been there for me. That's all.
Kati, let me tell you. Daddy gave you the best by paying tuition and all that, taking care of you. I think that is the best. And then, of course, your favorite has to be. So you're going to open this first. You can open this. You read Kulikoka paper. You did expect that, right?
I did.
That's from him. Maybe the money no, not that. It's okay. Then this one. It will be the cam.
From Daddy.
Kuyambala binigina. Toligula kintu ky'amagezi binigina ate ebinene ebizibu mbukroko. I hope I made the right choice. Do you love them? Talaba, mwewazi. You show him. What am I na chenguzi yangamye ngule success.
Okay, first of all, I thank my brother, Commander Stewart, for his success. And lastly, I thank my lovely dad for this. As my success. May Allah wish you.
What's that?
Okay. From your favorite, Shaking My Love. This is my favorite aunt.
What do you think is there?
I've seen the adapter.
No, that's mine.
This one? I don't know. May I
Open.
This?
Akankana engalo. So in Form 2, as for PC, you have to learn by how to behave well and study well. So that is for being disciplined and for being a good guy. These are from Shifra Shukran Space. Those you open them later. Thanks, my little ones. Okay.